Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a website in Odoo. So, creating a website will allow you to showcase your brand, products, or services online easily. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your Odoo account. And once you're here, you will click website. And then here, if you haven't created one yet, you will just have to click create website, and it should be like this after you have created it. And what you will do after that is you will customize the blocks, the images, the text, and the colors using this feature right here, which is edit. So you could actually just choose from these blacks right here, and you could customize the style as well if you want. So yeah, that's basically just how you do it. And you could also upload pictures if you want, and upload videos. So there are really a lot of things that you could actually choose from. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And if you're satisfied with your website, you will just have to click save, and then you will make sure that the publish button is toggled on. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.